Are you looking for a peaceful sleepover in Indang, Cavite? Let me take you to Lowfield Resort. Most of accommodation in Indang are resort type, so the rate can choose between 12 hours or 24 hours to stay. Let me show you the room that we booked. Cost only 1,500, good for 6 packs for 12 hours. The room is fully air conditioned. However, Indang is naturally breezy, so it's cold at night even without aircon. We are assigned in room number 3. What I really like on this resort is their staff and owner are really kind and friendly. The location is 5 minutes away from Trece Martires and 8 to 10 minutes going to Kabsu. I booked directly to their Facebook page. Go to their pool. They have 24 hours guard, but the reception is until 7 to 9 p.m. That's why you need to book early so that they can prepare for you. I'm so happy that I witnessed the Kabsu, the Cavite State University students training so hard. Gagaling! These dedicated athletes are preparing for the world swimming competitions that will be happen in Thailand this year. And they will represent our country, Philippines! It's located right beside the highway, that's why it's super easy to find. Here's the rate for their swimming during night and day. They have free parking. You can also catch a bus, jeep, or tricycle on this location. Hoping that you enjoyed another accommodation review. See you next time!